Hello, dear beauties. Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of styles and fashion with Safira Nas. I hope so you all are fine, good, and enjoying the very good conditions of your health. So, dear beauties, in my today's video, you are going to exploring more than 100 plus styles and designs of top trending and stylish hot collection of summer seasons floral maxi dresses for enhancing your summer styles and look in 2025 fashion trends. So you are going to find out different colors, beautiful colors combinations, amazing stylish collection, amazing neck designs, amazing sleeve styles designs. You will be find out A-line style maxi dresses. You are going to explore in floral printed styles, hem styles, long maxi dresses, beautiful colors, beautiful styles, beautiful designs. For your casual to formal wears, for your party wears, evening wears, dresses. Those girls, those women who love to wear long dresses and who love to style maxi dresses. So these are the best latest ideas, latest collection of trending fashion of maxi dresses you are going to find out in this video. You will find out sleeveless styles maxi dresses. You will be find out ruffle work styles, long sleeve styles, half sleeve styles with beautiful neck designing. Alien style maxi dresses, umbrella maxi dresses, belted styles, wrap style maxi dress designs for beautiful ladies and girls. I love all these designs of maxi dresses and I hope so, dear beauties, you will love these too. You will love these styles, you will love these designs. Summer seasons, floral printed styles, all over print styles, chiffon fabric, cotton fabric, net fabric, silk fabric, and georgette fabric, long dresses, long maxi dresses, and long gown style dresses. If you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of maxi dresses, so please, dear beauties, do like my video and do share my video with your loved one. Do share the video with the new people so that the new people get the new ideas and new styles of maxi dresses for enhancing their styles and look in 2025 summers. Don't forget if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. I try my best to make videos on daily basis. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any styles, any design on my channel for your daily wears. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more styles of fashion trends and fashion alerts, do visit on my channel and watch the other videos of dresses. You will be find out more than 1000 plus styles and designs of videos on my channel on different types and different styles of dresses. So you are going to find out maxi dresses, gown dresses, mother of the bride dresses, skater dresses, midi dresses, party wear, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for beautiful ladies and girls, top designs, blouse style designs. So a lot of new ideas, new styles, new designs you will be find out on my channel. So visit on my channel and watch the other videos. I hope so, dear beauties, dear girls, those videos will also be useful and helpful for you. And you will get the new ideas and new styles of dresses from those videos. Please do support me and keep sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. I will be very thankful to you if you are going to share my video with your loved one. Don't forget to share your kind opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, and about my channel. Tell me in the comment section which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel. Which type of more content, more styles, more designs, more fashion alerts will be useful and helpful for you. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinion, so must share your kind opinions in the comment section. Must watch video till the end. Very beautiful styles, beautiful designs of maxi dresses are coming up next in this video. I hope so you will absolutely going to love these styles and designs. Don't forget to like and share video. Don't forget to subscribe channel and also giving your feedback in the comment section, dear beauties. So let's enjoy the video till the end. Stay connected for the next video. Goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and styles for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video. Stay connected with the comment section.